My name is Keegan Moore. I'm a class of 2023 here at Jesuit High School. I'm a senior. I've been on the water polo and swimming team for my 4 years while at Jesuit High School here. I was an attacker this last season. We were fortunate enough to make a pretty deep run into the playoffs. We won sections and even got to go qualify for Division I NorCals. That was a pretty special experience my senior year to be able to win sections and make it that far. It's been really important for me as an individual, I guess, in my growth, especially as a freshman getting to play on Varsity Water Polo. There's a lot of guys that helped me kind of like found my work ethic and helped build me up as an individual, and it also has been impactful these last 2 years getting to step more into like a leadership role and kind of see how I can help impact others. Once in middle school, me and a couple of my buddies, we decided we wanted to see if we could make a men's volleyball team. We brought it up to our athletic director and he actually made it and let us create the league. Unfortunately, that year I wasn't able to play due to other conflicts, but then the following year I got to play on our volleyball team that we founded and we ended up winning like our league, so that was cool. Getting to ride in the vans, we had a travel tournament. We won quite a couple last year, and just getting to kind of hang out with the guys, not necessarily in like a business or like sports like setting, but just getting to relax and hang out with the guys and talk to the coaches in the vans. One of my favorite pictures on my phone is a picture of me and my two older sisters. It's just a picture of us at like Fairy Tale Town growing up. Both of them were sitting there smiling and one of them's holding my hand while I'm screaming, super scared, or I mean, I don't know what was happening at the time, but it's just a funny photo. Something I'll always remember from my time at Jesuit is the relationships I built. I feel like I've met a lot of good guys who I feel like have impacted me as an individual, and people I feel like I'll still share friendships with past just school.